Pray, do not mock me.
Look upon me, sir.
For I am a very frustrated skunk.
You should not kneel. You should not kneel.
Skunk.
So look upon me, sir, and raise your hand on me in benediction.
Skunk.
You must not kneel. You must not kneel.
Dost thou... stupid shit.
80 and upwards. Not an hour more or less. Shh. Skunk.
Oh, look upon me, sir.
Foolish fondling. Skunk.
And raise your hand on me in benediction. You must not kneel.
Dost thou know me? Dost thou know me?
And to deal plainly, I fear I'm not in my perfect mind. Methinks I ought to know you and know this man. Yet I remain doubtful, for I am mainly ignorant what this place is, and with all the skill I have, I remember not these garments, nor do I know not where I did lodge last night. Do not laugh at me, for as I am a man, I take this lady to be my child. Cordelia?
So I am.
Be thy tears wet? Yes, bathe. I pray, weep not. If you have some poison for me, I will drink it. I know you do not love me, for your sisters have, as I do remember now, done me wrong. You have some cause. They have none.
No cause, no cause.
Where am I? France?
Your own country.
Hey, excuse me!
Be comforted, young madam. The great rage you see is killed in him. And yet, it is danger to make him even o'er the time he has lost. Desire him go in, trouble him no more until further settlement.